generating the sense of motion. Right now, if you look at this, it looks very boring. You're zooming in. Ooh. But if you have a backdrop in there, you have all sorts of things that you can play with. So I'm just going to give you one that, is really nice with this one. Let's say I generate something like light bursts. Not bad. But what happens if I animate it? So if you go to effects, I had a thing about keying effects. Here's an effect that you could use to give you the sense of speed. If you put 0 here, you have nothing. And you can key that. And then, if you went like this, and then typed in 50, maybe we go 150. Let's see what happens. Hit spacebar. And then maybe right here we want to stop. Alright. So right about here, what I'm going to do is add some more frames. How do we do that? Well, this is my composition comp 1. And I can right click on it and say composition settings. Right now I have this. I'm going to put 2 in here instead of 1. And that will give me some more room. And if you zoom out, you're going to find that you have like all this stuff, but it dead ends at 20 frames. Okay. So this one, I want to kind of extend that a little bit. To right about here. And you can see that CC light right here is right there keyed. So right after that, let's say maybe right about here, I go back and I key that to be 0. Alright, now I can always shorten this composition. I always just kind of put length out there as being too big. And there it goes. Now I want it more abrupt than that. So I'm going to put these right next to each other. And I want to reverse it in the fact that this is 150, it backs all the way down. There we go. That looks good. So what would happen if I went into the negative region? Let's put this way. And then let's put it at 0. So it has this kind of like bow reflex going on. Yeah. Spread it out just a little bit more. And I like this, but I wanted to go just a little bit more this way. And then one more. Perfect. See how much better that looks, because I'm almost like bouncing in and out before it goes straight. Perfect. So that's how you could key like something as far as motion in the backdrop and use just standard everyday images from NASA. Pretty cool. Enjoy.